the bear is everywhere. Wall Street plunges in overnight trade. The negative catalyst, the Fed's ambiguous stance on a potential December rate cut. So, the pessimism revolves around Fed's Goolsbee, who too echoed a concern laid out by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, saying that they are uneasy about rate cuts without inflation data, citing rising services inflation right before the shutdown. Our call of the day suggests that the session is likely to see intense back-and-forth action, with bears resisting every upward move, keeping volatility elevated. Technically speaking, confirmation of strength now only above 25,903 mark. For Friday's trade, Nifty to 5777 will act as big hurdle. Bottom line, sentiment still fragile, the battle for directional clarity shall continue, and Nifty remains caught in a narrow range, wavering without conviction. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 30 to 63 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 50 to 84 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought zone. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is trading firm near 12.41 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.71 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.78. Nifty outlook, Nifty under pressure, bears shall maintain control amid persistent weakness. Nifty, CMP to 5510. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,413 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,777 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,400 and 25650. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 83311. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 82,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,700 and 83700. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 57554. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 55,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 56,500 and 58,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, the benchmark Nifty tumbled hard, and the negative takeaway was that there was no place to run or hide for the bulls. Well, dark cloud cover was seen on Dalal Street for the second straight day. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Redington, plus 14.75%, surged after its consolidated revenue for Q2 FY26 stood at 29,118 crore rupees, up 17% year-on-year, driven by robust demand across India, the Middle East, and Africa. Net profit jumped 32% YoY to 388 crore rupees, while EBITDA rose 23% YoY to 632 crore rupees. 2. Astral, plus 7.14%, zoomed higher after its revenue from operations rose 15.1% year-on-year to 1,577.4 crore rupees, up from 1,370.4 crore rupees in Q2 FY25, driven by sustained demand in both core segments. Profit after tax, PAT, rose 24% YoY to 134.8 crore rupees, translating into a margin of 8.5%, up from 7.9% in Q2 FY25. 3. Delivery, minus 10%, slumped after the company reported a consolidated net loss of 50.37 crore rupees in Q2 FY26, compared with a net profit of 10.20 crore rupees in Q2 FY25. Revenue from operations increased 16.87% year-on-year to 2,559.32 crore rupees in Q2 FY26. 4. Avanti Feeds, plus 3.63%, rallied after the company's consolidated net profit jumped 34.87% to 153.29 crore rupees in Q2 FY26 as against 113.65 crore rupees in Q2 FY25. Revenue from operations increased 19.04% year-on-year to 1,609.69 crore rupees in the quarter ended 30th September 2025. Q2 corporate earnings to watch. Friday, 6th November. Bajaj Auto, Hindalco, Divi's Lab, Trent, Torrent Pharma, Nykaa, Kalyan Jewellers, Petronet LNG, Newland Lab.